Cleaning your Dyson Airwrap filter is really simple. Firstly, just make sure your device is disconnected from the power before you start. And inside your Airwrap set, you'll find a little brush like this. So this is going to help you clean your filter. The filter cage is at the bottom here. It has it labelled for you. So just pop it on the wire and you're going to twist just like this around in circles. It's going to remove any dust that's been caught in the filter cage. So twist it until you feel it's all removed, so you'll be able to see it there cleaning up. Take it off, and then what you're going to do is pinch the little dot on the filter cage here and pull it down. And that's going to clip the outer cage off, and then you can open it from the back and remove it completely. So when you've removed it completely, you can rinse this under water and make sure it's absolutely bone dry before you start to reassemble it. So while you're rinsing it and letting it dry, you can also give this a further clean just with a brush again. Twist around to make sure you've got any of the other finer dust particles around here. So once you've done that, you can pop it all back together and make sure you don't use your Dyson Airwrap until it's all been reassembled, and make sure it's bone dry as well. So it depends on your use how regular that you would have to do this.